Little morning action here. Coming downtown Jensen. Mulligan's. That's not where we're headed though. Where are we headed there, Ems?
Lazy Dog.
What kind of place is it?
Donut.
Donut? Lazy Dog Donut.
Donut.
We're hoping it's human donuts. It's Lazy Dog Donuts. We'll see. It's a cool place to hang out in the afternoons, Friday, Saturday night. Quick bite to eat. Little marina. We're right on the intercoastal, so close to the ocean. You start seeing a lot of these boat shops, like anywhere. Keys. That's a cool place to come have breakfast over there. There's people sitting outside of the bar there. They're open very early. You get down here early enough. Like right now, it's already 9:30. It's kind of late. But you get down here like 7:30, 8 o'clock at least. You can get you a seat there. Okay, called Lures. We've been there a lot. I forgot the name. Too funny. All right, I think we found it. Lazy Dog Donuts. All right, here we go. Lazy Dog Donuts. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what kind of donuts we can get here at the Breezy Inn. Pretty cool little spot. Then I forgot my water. We brought water and then I forgot to bring it. All right, let's go see what's going on here at Lazy Dog Donuts. Let's check it out. Very cool place. All right, we got some cool donuts here.
Let's go.
Mango covered. We're a little late, so I'm surprised they got that many left.
Coconut rum.
Lazy Dog Donut. What do you think, Ovia? You figure out which one you're getting better?
Too many to choose from.
Very cool. Very cool. First time here. Long time donut eaters, first time donut goers. All right, we're here at Lazy Dog Donuts, Jensen Beach. Then we've got the Boston Donut. She's on the wrong side there. Betty got the coconut. And I got a strawberry cheese Danish something. I'm not sure. But anyways. So definitely come check out Lazy Dog Donuts in Jensen Beach if you're ever around. Upcoming events. Probably can't see that, but very cool place. You can sit outside. Check them out. Lazy Dog Donuts. Jensen Beach. Florida.
She had a star fruit at the back.
Yeah? Alright, so we're outside Lazy Dog Donut Cafe here. Very cool. Wow, very nice out here. Great place to come and have some donuts, get some breakfast, have some coffee, and relax. And upstairs, you can get a room through the Breezy Inn. If you want to come and stay downtown Jensen for the weekend at the Breezy Inn, and then come downstairs to the Lazy Dog Donut place for breakfast. Cool tree.